Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create chrome ombre nails. First, begin by applying a clear base coat to protect your natural nails. Next, apply your chosen base color gel polish evenly across each nail. It's crucial to cure each layer thoroughly under a UV or LED lamp for the recommended time. This careful preparation ensures a perfectly smooth and durable canvas for the chrome effect. Once your base color is fully cured, it's time to introduce the ombre effect. Apply a second gel polish color to the desired area of the nail. Using a small, clean brush or a makeup sponge, gently dab and blend the two colors together. Work with light, quick motions to achieve a seamless, soft gradient transition. Ensure this ombre layer is also cured thoroughly under your lamp. Now for the magic. Apply a thin, even layer of no-wipe top coat over your cured ombre design. Cure this top coat for approximately 30 seconds, or until it's slightly tacky but not fully hardened. This specific tackiness is key. Using a silicone applicator or a gloved finger, gently rub the chrome powder onto the nail surface. Buff the powder in small, circular motions until you achieve a brilliant, mirror-like finish. Once your chrome is perfectly applied, carefully use a soft brush to remove any excess powder from the nail and surrounding skin. This step prevents a messy finish. Next, apply a generous final layer of no-wipe top coat to completely seal in the chrome and protect your intricate design. Cure your nails completely under the UV or LED lamp for the full recommended time. Now, you can enjoy your stunning, long-lasting chrome ombre manicure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.